it's authentic. You know, it's a real car, real engine. It's not like today. '66 Fastback Mustang GT Tribute. For classic car, for me, American car, that's the best for the classic car. You know, is iconic. You know, Ford is Ford. You know, and I like the Mustang. So when I'm outside on the street, I will turn my head on classic cars than a Bugatti or Lamborghini. I like it. I like that car. It's very fun to drive it, but you know, when you say classic car, you think about Mustang. You know, it's very iconic car, very famous, and I restore everything. We remove the engine, we pull up the engine, the trans, we restore the engine bay, so everything. Real GT is a 4-barrel, but original mine is 2-barrel. I turn it in a 4-barrel when I restore the car, and I rebuilt the engine, but it's original engine, matching number. I made a new gas pump, new admission, rebuilt the cylinder, everything. Originally, the engine is a 200 horsepower, but when you turn on for the new carb Holly, I think you are at 220 horsepower. Original color is not that. Original color is gold. GT Tribute is not a real GT because when in the 60, 65, 66, after 67, 68, Mustang Ford did GT. It's a package. You have when is a real GT, you have a front disc, brake disc. It's A-Code or K-Code for 66, and mine is the C-Code. That's the regular one. On the classic Fastback, you don't have the fog light. It's only on the GT, the fog light. On the rear, you have the both exhaust on the GT. On the classic Fastback, you don't have it. I had a body shop in Vegas. I had a body shop, so we did a lot of classic car restoration on classic car. 78 Corvette, 91 Corvette 2, SL 380 Mercedes 85, Jeep Wrangler 93, 68 Mustang Coupe, F150 Ranger Ford, another Mustang 66 Coupe. Since I'm young, I like this, you know. I love to watch Formula One. I like to see a GP moto. Everything with the engine, you know, just speeding. I'm a classic car enthusiast, so that's why I like it. I prefer those cars than cars today, you know. It's authentic, you know, it's a real car, real engine. It's not like today, you know. The cars now is not the same. We have a lot of cables, electronic, you know. That's, for me, that's a real car, a real automobile, you know. That's it. That's my opinion.